darlings. Today is Sunday and I'm ready to go to church. This is my handbag and this is my outfit. Just something simple, not too complicated. I didn't plan this outfit out, but I love it as it's coming out together. I want to do like a week in my life vlog. Today is Sunday, the beginning of the vlog. We have Monday, Tuesday till Saturday. Let's see what this week will for me. See you later in the afternoon because I feel like I have a lunch date after service and we will see when I'm ready for the date. Yesterday evening was so much fun, from my dinner date to the club, which made me woke up so late this morning. I took this package to DHL to send to my friend Lagos to Port Harcourt and they were charging 20,000. My friend said she doesn't have such amount to spare, so I decided to take it to the park, all this public transport, and this driver offers to deliver it for me with just 5,000 naira. What a difference. I stopped at the Yaba market to pick up some stuff. I really would love to just be on my bed. That's why my face was looking like this. Hunger kicked in and I helped myself out with some snacks before I get back home to have a well-prepared meal. Between in-drive, boat or Uber, which one is more expensive? This is me walking down to meet up with my ride. I want to introduce this cutie to you guys. So I have a new friend. We are actually trying to get a name for her. So we are figuring out whether to go for snow or is it petty or winter or candy. Which one do you think fits her most? It's a new pet that my friend just got and we're trying to figure a name. But so far we've been calling her Snow. Isn't she beautiful? Mwah. Isn't she beautiful? And I'm falling in love already. How are you guys doing? It's a wonderful morning. So I just wanted to introduce Snow to you guys. And do you guys think the name fit her? If so, let me know so that we can stick to that or we give her another name. I couldn't miss Winepress 2024. Not after I have listened to other people's testimonies from previous years. I made sure I attended the 3 days of this conference. My dear, I must tell you, I am a living witness of the miracles and impartation that took place in this conference. I myself have received my testimony. Please just tell me congratulations because I am coming back to tell you my testimony. The Lord is good and kind to me. Grace, grace, grace. This is my story in 2024. Business owners should try to have a rider that relates with their business as much as every other staff in the establishment. I see some riders, when they just bring something for you off the they barely have an idea about what your business is all about. But this rider did not just get in here to deliver this table, but also offered to set it up. If I had to set this table, I would have been watching multiple videos or reading manuals, but this one is doing it so well. Very easy. It didn't take him long time. He set this table up and I got this beautiful table. If I have a chance to recommend this vendor, of course I will. getting there, it's another lady that wants to serve you, like in front counter, cashier, sell person. How do they treat you? Because I've come to realize this one thing that is very common among us ladies. If a fellow lady comes to maybe buy something from you, the way we treat ladies like us is different from the way we treat or welcome a guy or a man. And I'm always wondering, what's the reason for this reaction? Is it because you're jealous of your fellow lady, or you feel like she's not going to tip you? It's only a man that can tip you? Because the rudeness is always uncalled for. After the little grocery shopping, let's meal prep for the week. If you watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.